Church, I am.
Oh.
I said my name is Chidi Roots. I hail from Owaliru.
Okay.
But I'm coming from Asaba.
Clap your hands for Sister Roots. Tell us boldly, yes.
Last 2 Sundays, that was my first time of coming to City of Power. Though I've been watching the program of Brother Fire TV. My parents, we all have been watching it. But my father has been coming. So last 2 Sundays I was here. So that day my husband was confessing all he has done and how God delivered him. So after the service that day, we met pastor, and he said my husband will fast for that week. So which he did. Although the matter has been in court because of the trouble. So that last Sunday, that last 2 Sundays I came, I booked for prayer line, and I'm here to testify that when Daddy was praying during that prayer line, all the requests that day, I'm here to testify that God has granted them.
Are you clapping for Jesus? Hey! Hey! If you are sitting down, something is wrong somewhere. Hey! Power! You know the way she's saying it, you may not understand. Tell your neighbor you won't understand. You said your husband came and he was testifying of the wonders of God in his life.
Yes.
He was telling the world how God encountered him here in City of Power.
Yes.
God delivered him of the evil encounters he had before.
Yes.
And when God of Brother Fire encountered him, another encounter began.
Yes.
Another experience began.
Yes.
And your husband came to testify.
Yes.
Now you are telling us that same service you booked on prayer line.
Yes.
And you wrote some prayer or some request in the prayer line. And you did not tell us anyway, but I want you to tell us like 1 or 2 of them that you are telling us that God has granted all of them.
The first issue that I wrote was marital issue, and God has settled that one.
That means you and your husband, you are now in a good time, and I mean there's peace now in the marriage.
Yes.
Can you clap your hands for Jesus? Somebody clap your hands for Jesus. I don't know, some of you that were not here when the husband was testifying, you may not understand. So sorry if you're not here. I was not the one that told you not to come to church. So you will understand better of what she's saying. It was a serious matter. But there is nothing that is impossible for my Father, the Jehovah overdo. Can you clap your hands for Jesus? If you heard clearly, she said the case was in the court. That means because of the way the husband was treating her, the violence and the brutal attitude to her from the husband, court case, you know, it has police and court has to be involved for safety and security. But she's telling us that all those things, no one is happening again. The husband is no longer treating her bad. The husband is no longer beating her. All the things the husband has been doing, no one is happening again. And you are looking like that. Can you clap your hands for Jesus? And another thing is what?
And another issue that day was my office. So I was having problem. So they have to stop my salary. So I told Pastor Brother Fire about it. So he gave me his WhatsApp number and said I should be communicating to him about any issue. So I was communicating to him, telling him about the issue. So he told me that they will pay me my salary. So I want to return the glory to God. On Friday, they released my salary.
Oh! Hey! 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 See, if you are sitting sorry. Holla grace. Clap your hands for Jesus. But now for how long? For how long? You have not been receiving salary because of the issue.
Yes, they seized my February salary. So those in the prepayment audit, so they seized it. So when I communicated to daddy, so everything became easy. So they said I will receive it before Friday. So that Friday, I received it.
Oh, clap your hands for Jesus now. Madam, your husband is here?
Yes.
Where is the husband, the handsome man? Oh, if you are not jealous. Okay, come now. If you are not jealous, Hey, holla power. Oh, your neighbors here, holla power. See, when God come into matter, the story go change. Hey, I feel like running somebody. Can I pray for somebody here in this service? Under the grace of God upon my father, that thing you came here with, that thing bothering you, I may not mention it, but you know it better than me. I pray for you as you are hearing this testimony. The God of my father will attend to your case. I did not hear your amen. I said the God of my father will attend to your case. If you shout a better amen, I just spoke to you. Clap your hands for Jesus. If you see the woman now, the beauty increase. My eyes is not deceiving me. And if you see the man, there's what to call handsomeness. Ayana. Oh, hey! The devil is a liar. Huh? Look at your neighbor. Say, neighbor, you see today, you must testify next Sunday. Clap your hands for Jesus. Awesome God. Awesome God. I love this testimony. Marriage restored. Salary release. She wrote so many things. If I begin to ask her now, she'll keep talking. No time. Madam, we celebrate with you both. Smile. Let the devil be ashamed. Now, from this experience, ma, I want you to, with a joy in your heart, advise viewers all over the world. Your father is here. Father, where's father? Father, come now, let the world see. It was our father that brought them. It is good to have a good father-in-law. Clap your hands for the father. That's your mother. That's your mother too. Can you celebrate Jesus for this marriage? You know, if it was some parents, they would tell the daughter, run away. But the man know the God he served and brought them to God of Brother Fire. And look at the testimony. Look at your neighbor, say, neighbor, God is here. Now we celebrate with all of you. But please, madam, just one or two advice, like I said before, to viewers all over the world with this joy in your heart. And the one sitting down here, yes.
My advice to viewers all over the world is there is nothing God cannot do. I believe it in my own case. I never knew everything would just settle like this. Even the issue I have in the office was a very serious issue that they wanted to lay off my work. But the way God did it, He did everything easy. Even the marital issue, it was something else. But the way everything is now, I am surprised. I said, is this how God works? Everything just easy like that.
Oh, look at your neighbor, say neighbor. It is not a film trick. It is a reality. Your testimonies remain permanent in Jesus' name.